Good evening. Today we discuss about the cost accounting, uh, machine hour rate. Now we discuss about the problem. Calculate machine hour rate from the following: cost of machine rupees 8,000, cost of installation rupees 2,000, scrap value after 10 years 2,000, rent and taxes rates for a quarter for the shop 300, general lighting 20 per month, shop supervisor salary per quarter 600, insurance premium for a machine 60 per annum, estimated report 100 per annum, power 2 units per hour at rupees 5 per 100 units, estimated working hours 2000 per annum. There are some informations given in the day, year, and total. It can be converted in the hourly rate, and then we have to find out the answer. And then additional information what should be given in this problem. The machine occupies 1/4 of the total area of the shop. The supervisor is expected to devote 1/6 of his time for the supervising the machine. General lighting expenses are to be apportioned on the basis of floor area. 1/4 of the machine total area of the shop. The machine occupies 1/4 of the place of the shop. The supervisor is expected to devote 1/6 of his time for the supervising the machine. The supervisor spend her time to supervise the 1/6 of his time. The general lighting apportion on the basis of floor area. These are the information given in this problem. You have to go to solution to that problem. First, we have to segregate the standing charges and then machine hour rate. Standing charges, other than the machine related expenses, we have to accumulate it, and then the machine hour rate to be accumulated separately, and then finally we have to find the per hour machine rate per hour. First one, standing charges. Rent and rates are general expenses. They are taken into the standard charges. They are monthly ones we have to pay. The quarterly ones we have to pay. That's why we have to multiply 4 quarters in a year. 300 into 4, 1,200 per annum, and divide by quarter. 1/4 of the per month is to be T 300. And general lighting on the apportionment of the area on the basis of lighting points per annum for the machine, 20 into 12, 12 months. 20 points are there into 12 months. You have to multiple rupees 1 240. It can be converted into monthly wise 1/4, 60. And the supervisor salary apportion on the time basis, the supervisor salary per annum for the machine is 600 into 4 quarters, 2,400. He spent his supervision for this standard time 1/6. We have to divided on that proportion 400 to be arrived. And the insurance premium permission is 60. Totally 820 for the yearly basis we have to find out. Per annum we have to find out. And then next, the total value to be arrived 820, and the standing total hours for the per year is 2000, where when hourly rate to be arrived 0.4, and standard charges per hour is to be arrived. It's apart from that machine expenses, and then we have to calculate machine expenses. What are the expenses related to machinery? It can be separately calculated. Like that, depreciation is also related to expenses, though that can be taken into consideration. Cost plus installation minus scrap value divided by life of the machine is the to find out the depreciate value of the machine. These are the information given in this problem. 8,000 plus 2,000 installation charges. Scrap values to be given in 2,000 less to the total, and divided by number of years of the lifetime, 10 years. It should be given in this problem. The answer is rupees 800 per annum. The depreciation total per annum is 800. It can be divided into as per the per hour we have to convert. The depreciation per hour, the formula is 800 divided by total hours 2000, 0.40, and repairs they also same, we have to divide by 100 divided by 2000 hours 0.65, and the power is also related to the machines, is also taken into consideration for the machine hour rate. And 100 units power cost rupees 5, and for 2 units the power cost is 5 divided by 100 into 2, we need 0. We arrive 0.10, totally 0.96 machine hour rate we have to find out for that problem. And then these are the solution to that problem. And the next problem, the same as it is, apportionment and also machine hour to be find out. The problem is a machine shop has four new machines, each occupying equal area of space. Cost of the machine were A 20,000, B 25,000, C 30,000, D 40,000. The following are the expenses per annum of the machine shop. These are the expenses per machine wise. There are four machines. They are occupied the equal, so all are distributed in the equal manner. And what are the expenses to be per annum is given to that machine for this factory is rent rupees 10,000, rates and water 4,240, lights and heat 3,200, power A, just like that, machine A 5,100, power B 5,000, power C 12,000, power D 14,500, administration 9,600, running expenses 20,000. These are the expenses incurred for this factory for the four machines. And then what are the additional information given to the problem? Compute machine hour rate for each machine assuming 45 hours per week, 50 weeks a year. 45 hours per week and 50 weeks for year. These are the information given in this problem. And also 80% utilization the life of the machine for 10 years without scrap value. This for computing the depreciation of the machinery. And then go to the solution. This is the format to find out the solution. Compute the machine hour rate. There are four machines available, A, B, C, and D. Standing charges all are equally apportioned. All the spaces are equally allocated. That's why we apportion are equally. Rent apportioned equally. Rent having 10,000 divided by 4 because 4 machine, and all the expenses, sorry, rent, rates and water, lights and heat divided by 4, and then they are separately given A, B, C, D. It can be separated to put, and then administration is totally, it can be separate, and running expenses to be separate. The individual to be to the particular machine is total value, and then separated to be separate. Rent approximately equally apportioned, and rates and totally apportioned for divided by 4. Lights and apportion, lights and heat apportion and equally, administration equally. The standard charges apart from the machinery hours we have to find out the total. And next we have to total hours divided by 1,800 hours per day, sorry, per year. So arriving answer and can be divided into 1,800 hours. 6,760 divided by 1,800. The same answer to be again and again for the four machine. And then machine expenses. And then we have to calculations in the same manner. The running expenses is related to machinery. Apportioned equally. 20,000 given in this problem. They apportioned equal, and then power they separately given in this problem, and separately it can be put it. That means 5,100, 5,000, 12,000, and 14,500 separately given, and it can be put it on that separately. And then depreciation of cost of life, it can be cost divided by life. Cost, which means cost of a machine is 20,000, 25,000, 30,000, 40,000. The number of estimated life is 10 years. We have to divide it as this manner. 20,000 divided by 10, 2,000, 25,000 divided by 30,000 divided by 10, the 40,000 divided by 10, 4,000, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000 respectively, and arriving the grand total for the machinery expenses separately. And it can be hourly basis. We have to divide it into 12,100 divided by 1,800, and 12,500 divided by 1,800, and 20,000 divided by 1,800, and 23,500 divided by 1,800. The per hour machine per hour rate is accumulated, and a standard plus machine hour to be